had to reel yours up, Neil. You had to smell it on.
Oh.
Getting a few smelt here this morning, boys. I just had to reel that one up for Neil. And,
Now that's a nice trout.
Oh my god.
and Neil got a nice sea run. Look. That's a beauty sea run, buddy.
Yeah. I couldn't see me rod. He hadn't hard right down in the hole.
Boys, that's a nice trout. They're bigger than that. Down there's about, what? I say he's about 18 inches, I suppose. For sure.
Perfect, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Here's another fish.
Huh?
Get here another one.
No, a couple smelt.
Oh, your pan's on fire.
Was it?
Yeah, your pan's on fire.
That gone?